Mr. Morak, wave. I want to yell. Mr. Morak, Mr. Femi Olabi of Morakempire. They are the one on this project.
Thanks for visiting us.
They are the one on this
See what we are
project.
doing
You
here
can see.
in the Sakagbo community in Edo State.
Okay.
So, as you can see, we are ready for business. So, just to put things in order and to stock them.
So why did you choose this place? Why did you choose, this community? Is there any market advantage?
Yeah, it's closer to the road.
Okay.
Whoever is coming from, you can see how we're driving from that place. It's not far, and the road is a little bit okay.
Okay.
So those that are coming from, whether you are coming from Delta, you are coming from southeast, or you are coming from southwest, wherever you are coming from, it's a straight road down to this place. And you can see we are the first person here.
Okay.
There's no any other farm, and we are trying to at least to make this place open for business. So that's the reason why. And you can see.
How much do they sell pork here?
Is it?
How much do they sell pig here? Live weight.
Pig live weight here. Live weight in Edo is around that 600 naira now per kilo. I don't even think they sell per kilo here. Yeah.
It's not a weight business.
They don't weigh.
Wow.
So we are the one that are going to bring that model here. I think they look at the animals and they sell. It's only worry buyers when they have worry buyer because they are not much in Benin. I think they have only few farms that are more of commercial.
So what's the capacity of this farm going to be like?
The capacity of this farm is going to be about
Can we move closer?
2,000. Yeah, you can move closer for you to see. Yeah, it's going to be about 2,000 plus. Yes. The design is for us to have a free range movement.
Okay.
This is almost a plot. This is almost a plot. So there's going to be a wire mesh fence
Okay.
around there that is going to carve out this whole place so that the animals can move out. Free range. So but that's going to be.
So how many animals will be on free range?
As many as we can have, as the production is going to be huge. We are still expanding, but let's focus more on what
On indoor.
So that's just it. We make room for farrowing crates and the rest of that. That's why you don't see feed trophy with blocks and all those things. So that in case we want to put our feeder, that's a manual manual feeder. You can place them.
I like that word, auto manual feeders.
Yes. Then when we want to put our farrowing crate also, or gestational crate, all those things. That's the reason why this is like this.
It's a big goal. What's the dimension?
Yeah, this is about 30 feet by 20 feet. 30 feet by 20 feet. This and this. Yeah. So that's basically what we have there. We have the shower, we have the nipple, we have the drainage.
The shower. This the shower.
And all those
The
things.
nipple. Okay.
It's just for us to take to wash with water now. And once we wash with water, we spray some disinfectant and some chemicals so that at least whatever germs or whatever virus that might be living in here, of which there will be none, because this is a fresh place.
Okay.
As you can see, and it's been like this for over 6 weeks now. After plastering and all those things.
Okay. So it has been
everything
left
must
to
have
cure.
been, so whatever it is must have come with it. So that's just it.
So what was the biggest challenge you had on this project?
My biggest challenge of this project is the artisan from this state, Edo State.
Okay.
You know, they make works on Piggery before. At least you saw example this morning when we were supposed to leave our place till about 7, get here to do our work. You know, when you give them 7, they come here by 9 or 10. So they don't stick to time. And when they come, the our mode of operation is quite different from our own. So for me, it has been it is a great lesson for me now that my next project is going to be all my staffs.
Your team.
Yes, my team. Wherever I'm going, I go with my team, so that I will know that I'm doing this project for 4 weeks, and that 4 weeks I'm done. Not that, oh, I'll be the one to supply you bricklayer, I'll be the one to supply you this, I have carpenter, I have this. At least you can see what carpenter did in that staff quarters. You can see the error. But because I'm on ground on this, we're able to control them to do whatever they need to do the right way. That's why you can see that this place looks extremely almost perfect. You understand? So that's just the challenges here. Then the cost of living in Edo is high. That's another challenge. So you can imagine you've calculated your charges and everything, and when you get there, you thought it's like Lagos, where you can buy your bottled water for 15 naira, and you get here, you are buying your bottled water for 100 naira. Everything is just double like different from the way it is in Lagos. So those are the challenges. Then the community issues and the rest of it. But at least being the job that we've been doing over time, we know how to maneuver it and how to.
So you were able to manage the situation.
Yes.
And you were able to deliver.
Yes.
Well done, sir. Well done. Let's get the view of this place.
So
Okay.
let's pump water now.
Okay.